Hi guys, I'm Martijn Otten from AV Flexologic and the Color Control Group, and welcome on this 2-second lean tour. So I'm really excited to show you guys our company today, and our company is called AV Flexologic from the Color Control Group, and AV Flexologic produces equipment for the printing industry, Flexo prepress industry, which is basically for printing packaging. And we do a lot of things around this concept, so that you kind of get an idea for what we do. We have 50 people here in the Netherlands, then we have 200 people all over the world. So we're an international company, we're a global market leader, which has had its own challenges in implementing lean, which I'm going to show you how we solve those. Yeah, come on, we're coming in and we're gonna have a look. So I always like to show these old motorcycles which were built by my great-grandfather over 100 years ago. Engineering is in our DNA, I would say. We also build our own 3D printers, for which we use a lot in engineering to reduce weighting in the R&D process. What's nice to start with is our morning meeting area. So when we started our lean journey, this is what we started with, having a daily morning meeting. You know, people would say, would think probably, hey, this is was this the new flavor of the month? But this has really been instrumental in getting total employee engagement. So what we do in the morning meeting, we review the 8 waste, obviously. We review things which are happening in production, in sales, service, supply chain, quality. Everybody has their say from their department, and everybody always has something to say, which is really nice. And people also engage in that morning meeting. In the beginning, I started being the host, let's say, of the morning meeting. And then step by step, we expanded the roles. So then it was the management team, and now everybody in the whole company is actually holding the morning meeting, and we're rotating those responsibilities. And that has really helped to grow people. That's what we really want to do, is allow people to grow as people, to have respect for each other, to teach them to be also leaders, I would say. And what's cool about this is we've set up a few cameras, microphones, so we actually stream the morning meeting to our different locations. So we have factory in Romania, we have 120 people which have their own morning meeting. The management team also joins in. We have service engineers, sales managers living all over the world. They're also joining in. So every day we start up the day together as a team. And we also record it, so if sales managers or service engineers are traveling, they can also rewatch the morning meetings at a time of their convenience, so to say. So that's really cool. I would just say, the lean journey so far has brought us a lot, but there's also so many more things that we're continuously improving.